So let's talk about dropshipping with Legovesting. With Legovesting, what we are actually doing here is searching for good deals for us to dropship with and make money in the process. So one thing I want you to actually do here is just to look for things you want to dropship. It could be just any specific thing. Specifically, what we are looking for is deals. Things that we can get much cheaper than we can get anywhere else, and we can sell them for a lot more money. Such as in the sales section, you press on sale and you have a wide variety of different products that are already selling for less than they should actually sell for. For example, the resistant bomber is selling for 98 bucks. And maybe if you list it for 120 and somebody decides to buy it, you already make money on this item. There is of course a lot more different items here that you can pick from, and I do suggest for you to pick at least 10 to 20 of them and post them up for sale, hike up the price, and you never know when somebody is gonna go ahead and buy it from you. Now with Legos it is much more selective over here because people can do price comparison. Because of price comparison, I don't suggest for you to go ahead and list too many items. Specifically, the items you want to go ahead and list will be exclusives. Things that are not located in wide variety of places. And with exclusive, you want to make sure the item specifically is very exclusive to this site, such as this one, the pop-up book, 69, you might try it for 120. And here's the Taj Mahal over here, which I would actually try to post up for $500. So although you can see that I'm hiking the price exponentially higher, this is to get more traffic to sell the cheaper stuff on your actual site. So the expensive things here, most likely nobody's gonna buy, and that makes sense, but it's gonna get you more traffic. Once you get more traffic and people are more interested in other kind of Lego things you have over there, you can always on the bottom just write down, check out my other Lego listings. And when you do this, specifically what you're looking for is different kind of themes over here. So with Legos, you can have different kind of themes. You can also have different kind of categories. And specifically in this, what you're looking for is keychains, books, storage, video games, and appeals and accessories. Those kind of things are not available in a lot of locations. And because they're not available in many different locations, those are the things we want to post for sale. So with appeal and accessories, we are looking for things that are not available in, let's say, Target or other retailers and are more exclusive to just Legos themselves. And here we have alarm clock that is actually a minifigure, so we can list those up, and one of them is actually going for only 14 bucks. Normally it is for 29. That's definitely one I would go for right away. Another one is the Ninjago minifigure, also half the price. This is definitely another one that we can post up right away. So things just like that to always keep a lookout for. Also take a look at this. Earlier keychain. That specific keychain is going for $4.99. You can list it for $12.99. And there is more of them too. Batwoman keychain, $4.99. This one can also be listed for $12.99 as well. And you want to list a bunch of those items. Why are we listing it for this price? Because if somebody is going to buy this specific product, well, you have to pay for shipping too. Now, the only way we'll make extra profit here is also if you're doing Legovesting on the side. Yes, that's right. We're going to be doing both things at the same exact time. So as we are buying those products and drop shipping it and making money with retail arbitrage, we are also going to go ahead and buy things for ourselves that we are going to resell wholesale as well at the same exact time. So for example, here is another one, Lego DC Character Encyclopedia. We can list this one up for 30 bucks. Here's another one, Lego Batman Movie. Let's list that one up, much higher as well. And let's go ahead and list one more item. And this one is going to be the storage things, specifically the Ionic 4-piece organizer. This one is going for 39. Guess what's going to happen when they don't make those anymore? The price is going to go exponentially higher and higher and higher. So what you actually want to do is to add one to your shopping cart. So this is the secret here. What we are going to be doing is, as soon as somebody makes an order for drop shipping, you're going to send them directly that specific product just to them as a gift receipt. Then you're going to have a few other things in the shopping cart that you're going to be buying yourself wholesale just for you. And those are going to be the for sale, usually products. And with the for sale products, we're going to take a few of them. And those specific products are going to be shipped directly to you. And you're going to resell them for more money on eBay, individually, wholesale. Take a look at how many products I have right now listed in my checkout. $258 of products. I'm ready seriously to do Legovesting here. One thing I did here is I found a very nice set right here. What I'm going to be doing is buying the whole limit of it. 5 of those different sets. Wedding favor set 2018 edition. Once this thing is sold out, there's going to be no more of them. The price is just going to go higher, and I'm going to be listing every single one of them for like 16, 20 bucks and so on. Because when people do weddings, they want to have a product like this. Here's another one. Price cut on this product, $6.49. Used to be $12. Let's get 5 of those. And so on. And here's another one. Same thing. Half price. Let's get 5 of those as well. And when you list so many of them, eventually you get something free. And I'm looking for a deal. Hopefully they're going to have something free as soon as I buy this. And when I do have something free, what I'm going to be doing it with this is reselling it for more money. Also make sure that you sign up for Lego VIP points. Because if you do that, what's going to happen is you're going to earn points every single time you buy something. And when you're owning those points, you can redeem them for profit. Right now I have 281 points and I can get 10 bucks reward for anything I spend. So I'm already getting $10 off as well. And this of course sums up Legovesting at its finest. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.